Hello and welcome to TechnoSmart. Today's video is about something nostalgic. Today's video is about this computer that I have in front of me. This is a Lenovo laptop from 2006. It is from a time that I thought putting an Apple sticker on a Lenovo laptop was cool. The good news is that I don't think that's cool anymore. So that is a tremendous improvement from my side. I bought this computer for my university course to do my homework, to write small programs. Basically, this computer served me throughout my master's course, and it served me so well. And because of that, I have a lot of good memories from this computer. So I thought I would never get rid of it. I would keep it as long as I could. After university, I bought a better computer for myself and I gave this one to my dad. And he was using it for a while until it was too slow for him, and we bought a better computer for him too. But I always kept this computer in a good condition, waiting for the right time to get back to it and maybe restore it, maybe put Windows XP again on it, and again keep it for another long period of time. So I haven't actually touched this computer. I haven't opened this computer for a long time. So this is going to be the first time after a very long time to work on this computer and put or install Windows XP on it. Let's just start with taking a look at different ports that we have on this computer. We have a headphone port and a microphone port on the right hand side. Believe it or not, there was a time that these two ports had to be separate. Next to that, we have 3 USB 2 ports, CD, DVD drive, VGA port for connecting your laptop to an external monitor. We have a port here which I wasn't sure what it was, and I had to Google it, and apparently it is a S-video port. Here is the battery for the laptop. We have an RJ11 port, which is for the built-in modem in the computer, which allows you to dial up to an ISP and get internet access. Obviously, this port does not exist in modern computers anymore. Then we have the port for power cord. On the other side, we have a Kensington lock port, heat vent, another USB 2 port, another port that I wasn't sure what it was, and I had to Google that too. And that is a FireWire port, IEEE 1394. An RJ45 port, which we're still using these days. This is to plug in your computer to your network. There is another port here which I wasn't sure what it was, and again I had to Google that, and it is a PCM-CIA port. I don't know what that is, what can be used for or with that port, but if you know anything about it, put a comment below. And then we have a card reader, 5-in-1 card reader on the left hand side. So that was it with the ports. Let's get started with the actual laptop. Let's open it up and see what's going on inside. Now let's open this laptop and see its condition. It hasn't been open for a long time, so I'm just excited to see its condition. Well, I'm not surprised. My dad does not look after his computers very well. There is breadcrumbs everywhere, and there is stains everywhere as well. I don't know if you can hear this. This computer is so dirty and gross. God knows what my dad was doing with this computer.
Jesus Christ. What's that, man?
I know he used to eat in front of this computer, but he might have gone a little further sometimes, because this is just so gross. I need to clean this up first, and then we'll come back to take a look at this computer when it is clean. So that was it for this video. A flashback to review an old computer and an old operating system. Please don't forget to hit that like button if you like my video and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see my future videos. And until then, have a good time.